There are hundreds of crowdfunding platforms all over the world, and yet the market is still growing. This means there are opportunities for new players looking to attract investors through online platforms. Now, what's the best strategy to enter the market, test the business model, and scale the company? Building a platform from scratch would be like reinventing the wheel. Too expensive and too slow. Using a white label software, on the other hand, would be a safer way to start. But what if the model is new, or the relations change on a weekly basis? And when it comes to future growth, will the software even support adding new features and integrations? As always, there has to be a better way. LenderKit. It offers a quick start as well as flexibility and scalability. The best thing is, it's suitable for all stages of company growth, from an early stage startup to a mature company. The software can be installed in any cloud in any country, and it can be adjusted to any regulatory requirements. So, what's the catch? There is none. We are not just a product, we are also a team with agency experience. Our robust foundation not only allows for a quick launch, but our development team can tailor the solution to align with any business. In the end, LenderKit saves both time and money.